Hi, Pietro Serra here, and I'm going to show you how to turn a rinky-dinky old pallet into a shiny new pallet. We've got an Italian and American heritage, so I went and bought green, white, and red for the Italian flag. And I'm going to show you how to make this look nice and neat. So you're going to start by just wiping down all the dirt. You don't want any of this dirt in there, especially when you're going to be painting it. Also, you might want to wear some old clothing because this paint's going to get all over you. And some gloves for your protection. We're going to start by painting the whole base white. That way, whenever we're applying the green and the red, it pops a little better rather than soaking into the wood. Paint's not yet done drying, but for the sake of the video, we're speeding it up. And I put 2 pieces of cardboard to prevent the green from touching the white. And this side will be green, the middle will be white, and the other side will be red. I will proceed to paint. And now for the red stage. I just grabbed another 2 pieces of cardboard, that way the wet paint from the green didn't come off on this. And yeah, just be sure to adjust it however you'd like. Keep the white white, keep the red red. Get at it. Yeah, and here's our final product. It was 11 planks, so I just chose to do 3 and 3 colored, and then the middle ones you could do however you'd like. I might even touch it up a little more, add a little more paint. I honestly was able to do this with 1 white spray can and 1 of the green and red, and I still have plenty left over. You can make another one, do whatever else you want to do with it. You could spray underneath it, spray around it, but I think it looks great. So I was able to do this for about $12. Every can was around $4 after tax, and yeah, you can make a nice looking pallet out of 12 bucks or less.